Hi, M5858. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Esperanza Badlong, 37 years old, single. I'm a college undergraduate, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. I am a Roman Catholic.
Okay. Since you have an experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience.
I have I have an experience here in the Philippines. I serve three members of the family, two adults and 4-year-old boy.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, and taking care of 4-year-old.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have an idea how to prepare a meal for a
Yes, sir.
newborn? Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check the diaper, if full. Second is if hungry. Then check the temperature of the baby.
Maybe the baby is sick.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop doesn't work, what will you do?
I inform my employer and I talk to the baby what is the situation.
Okay, you will say to them what the situation
Yes, sir.
about the baby. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is a high salary, good country, and people is very nice.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Excuse me, sir.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until my
Until your
finish contract.
Okay.
Then as long as we need my employer.
So as long as your employer needs you, it is
Needs
okay to you to
me.
work. Okay. So it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. But I willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook? And how will you learn to cook?
Excuse me, sir.
You said you are willingly to learn how to prepare Chinese food. And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
Internet, YouTube,
Okay.
cookbook.
Okay, you will read some cookbooks.
Yes, sir.
And also, if your employers have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you would also help them how do they prepare so that you would learn.
Yes,
right?
sir. I'm willing to help them how to prepare a Chinese food.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir. As long we need to. So, eat also.
It's food. It is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir. It's okay for me.
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir. It's okay for me too.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir. I love pets.
Taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
Help them go to bed, to the bathroom?
Yes, sir. I
It is
need to
okay.
help to go to the bathroom. That's
Okay.
right, sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I do my very best. I'm trustworthy and hardworking and willing to follow your rules.
Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Esperanza.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.